we're going to create a simple screen, which is called a new detailed screen. And we do it through the usual methods. Select down here, add screen, new data screen. Now, these are simple screens if you want them to be. They can be complex and linked if you wish, but let's just do a simple one so that we can simply add a new race officer. So we're going to call it new race officer. And we get this sort of information here on the screen. Those are all the fields that are going to be enabled to be entered into the form or the screen. Now, I think it's a bit illogical for us to have club right down at the end. That's just because of the way it's created within the entity. So if we move it right up there, we'll choose the person's club first and then provide the other information that we want to give for these particular race officers. So let's do a save all. Let's do an F6 build. And I've got a build succeeded. What I want to do is I want to add this into the navigation system for the application. Now it's moved there, so I want to put it in here, new race officer, and I want to take it out of here because these are the sort of applications that you might want to use inside your navigation. Information is where we look for information and search. We can also edit through this, but we principally looking for information. This is the kind of admin area for people who are entering new core data. The admin here that's referred to is about roles and users and permissions. So call it core data, and then you can add lots of screens in there where you're adding new information into the database on an as needed basis, really. So we start the application. We now have information here. Let's just look at one of the regions. Scotland, why not? It's at the top. The clubs, let's add a member to, so we can just check this out in a minute. Yacht Club 3, current race officers, Hatfield, Raphael Hatfield is the last one. So let's go back to core data, new race officer. We're going to do club 3. We're going to call him Miss goodness knows what Y stands for. 7. If this is somebody's real phone number, we're in trouble. I've left one digit off deliberately so that it can't be. And once again, I'll leave one digit off. We'll get the appointed date. Let's say they were appointed on the 1st of September. And you'll notice that their summary property information is now showing here. And we go down here and save. Let's check it out. Let's go back to search region. There's Harriet. Let's show what's probably an easier way to do a new race officer by doing what we already have, which is through the search. I've said it could be used to add data. Let's just prove that that's the case. Let's go back to Club 3 in Scotland, race officers. You'll see that Harriet is there. Now you'll see there's an add, an edit button, and a delete button. So if I was to press delete, Jameson Cameron would be deleted, but let's add a new race officer. We'll say that her title is, or his title is Lord Bill Withers 078. And we'll do, he was appointed only last week. Now save, and Lord Withers is with us, so it's easier sometimes to do it that way.